Fiume, buongiorno, is the India November Victor 737, stand 409 info Alpha, con H1017, requested departure clearance to Napoli.
India November Victor 737 cleared to Napoli via SOSAC 5 Alpha departure, RIFI 9 Hotel transition runway 25, initially 4000, set squawk 1000.
Destination Napoli via the SOSAC 5 Alpha, RIFI 9 Hotel, for runway 25, initial climb 4000 feet, squawking 1000, India November Victor 737.
Is that correct?
Okay, so we have our clearance, so we can set it now. So the controller clears us to Napoli via SOSAC 5 Alpha, RIFI 9 Hotel,
identified leaving my space
initial
uniform
altitude
228.
4000 feet, and we can set it twice, and we'll put it at this point here. Of course, we cannot put it here because it's too far away. This is too close by. This is the perfect point to put it. And then we set the squawk 1000. So we can do the performance. And start the APU. And when it's available, we can disconnect the ground power. In the meantime, the cabin is secure. And we can tell the cabin crew to arm the slides and to cross-check them.
Lufthansa 259 right.
So now we're going to put the APU on the bus.
Wind
And we're going to disconnect the ground power and prepare the aircraft for pushback. So the aircraft is getting ready for the push. The tug should be coming shortly. And once it does, we're going to ask for a pushback. Okay, so the pushback is almost attached. So now we can go back inside the view, and we're going to ask for the push and start. Fiume India November Victor 737, stand 409, connection 1017, requesting push and start.
India November Victor 737, push and start is approved, QNH 1017.
Push and start approved, connection 1017, India November Victor 737. So now we will action the below the line, put the air conditioning impacts to off, APU bleed on, anti-collision light, parking brake is set, and the transponder on to alt off. And then we're gonna pretend to do the communication with the ground. So ground from flight deck, and go ahead. So confirm all doors and cross connect remains move up as is installed. I confirm. So release the parking brake. And they're gonna commence the push. And then we're gonna ask, can we start the engine number 2? They're gonna say affirm. You're clear to start the engine number 2. So N2. Oh, pilot monitoring will call it pressure, and then N1, 25%. Start levers is up, and then we check the engine valve closes, spark valve closed, light is extinguished. So starter cut out, and then we monitor. The parking brake is set. You can lower us down, disconnect the pin, advise when clear. And then we start the engine number 1. So number 2 is stable, and now we start the engine number 1. We start the timing. And 2. Pilot monitor will call oil pressure. And 1. Okay, 25%. The engine valve and spark valve extinguish. We go back down. So pylon monitor will call starter cutout, pylon flying, monitor engine number 1, and the engine number 1 is stable. Then we're gonna put the generators on, the APU off, and I will say to the ground staff, to good engine start. I'll see you on the left hand side with a pin. Ciao, grazie.
Speedbird 7584 radio check.
Speedbird 7584, I read you 5. Lufthansa 259 Super, stand 705 via Victor and Zulu.
Victor Zulu to stand 705 to Pagana Super, grazie.
The wingman is passing dangerously behind my engine here. You shouldn't be doing that.
Lufthansa 9990, ready to
And there
push
she
your
is. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up. The pin is there.
Lufthansa
Perfect.
990, push and start is approved, QNH
So we're going to do the
1017.
flow now.
Push and start
So
approved,
we'll put the
QNH
switches on continuous. Then we
1017, thank
go
you.
up, probe it on, engine anti is off, the air conditioning. We put the packs on auto, isolation valve to
Vicino Tower, buonasera.
and the APU bleed off.
Requesting IFR clearance to get to
Now we're going to put the flaps to 5.
The
And
Speedbird
then we're going to blank the
7584,
lower TU.
cleared
And then we're
to
going to check the
Gatwick
flight
via
controls.
Xenol 5 Alpha departure, Nimbo 7 Alpha transition runway 25. Initially 4000, set squawk 5510.
And the rudder as well.
Clear to destination as well via the Xenol 1.
Now we press master caution recall.
No, sorry, Xenol
And that's it.
5
And then we
Alpha
do the
departure.
before
Nembo 7 Alpha
taxi checklist.
transition.
Then we're going to ask for taxi.
Runway 25, initial climb 4000 and squawking 5510, Speedbird 7584.
Speedbird 7584 is back correct.
Fiume India November Victor 737 ready for taxi.
India November Victor 737, taxi to holding point Bravo Bravo runway 25 via November Golf, November and Bravo.
Holding point 25 via November Golf, November and Bravo. India November Victor 737. Okay, so we're gonna release the brakes.
Wind 180 for now.
We do a config.
16 right to Nair 752.
Nothing rings. So we can taxi. Taxi light. And now we can do the before takeoff checklist. So clear left and right. The cabin is secure. So everybody's ready. They're just waiting for us. So clear left. Fiume India November Victor 737 ready for departure upon reaching.
India November Victor 737, 25 line up and wait.
Line up and wait 25 India November Victor 737. So we're gonna put the lights on. Captain will put the landing light and the taxi light off, and then the first officer will action the below the line. So he's gonna see the cabin crew, transponder, strobe light on, auto throttle, and nav. So of course, afterwards, after he actioned it, Captain will call for the below the line checklist.
Lufthansa 990, ready to taxi runway 25, please.
Lufthansa 990, taxi to holding point Bravo 25 via Delta Papa and Bravo QNH 1017.
Delta Papa Bravo, copy.
India November Victor
sì.
73725 cleared for takeoff, wind 1804.
Clear for takeoff to 5, India November Victor 737. That will put timing.
Tuner 752, vacating Alpha Golf.
752,
Set the takeoff thrust.
taxi to stand
Takeoff thrust is
703
set in
via
addition
Victor
normal.
and Zulu.